Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, in today's video we will discuss about Accenture hiring, guys. Okay, Accenture is hire for non CS non technical students, like I need to say, like non BE, BTECH, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc students. Means these all the students are not eligible for this hiring. We will discuss remaining more the things about this video. Before discussing, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please guys subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, the next thing is, guys, this hiring is only for guys like non IT students, non technical students, like those who have complete the graduation in 3 years only. For example, BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, right? So these type of students can apply in this hiring, guys, right? And this hiring, the package is basically 3.3 only. Okay, 3.335. Okay, okay, so you can go and check out, guys, and only 2019 to 2020 22 year of pass out can apply in this hiring. Right now 2023 are not eligible for this hiring. So guys, I request everyone, please don't message me on WhatsApp or on Telegram ki sir 2023 can apply. No guys, just wait, they will launch hiring for you as well very soon, right? So go and check out. Anyone have any doubt, query, let me know in comment box. I will try to resolve your query and I will share the same link in the description so you can go and apply in this hiring, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We will meet on next video. Okay, so take care, bye bye, and please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Okay.